Hi and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Fiona and I'm a digital merchandiser here at Blackburn. We're really proud to be part of the Swansway Group, which is a family-owned business, and today I'm really excited to give you a tour of this absolutely incredible Audi S3 Vorsprung that we've just got into stock, absolutely brand new, and it comes with some incredible specification as this is a high-grade Vorsprung model. Starting at the front of the car, we've got the amazing Audi Matrix LED headlights with the dynamic front indicators and the headlight cleaning system to ensure maximum visibility. 19-inch alloy wheels, which are diamond cut finish and also paired with the stunning red brake calipers, contrasting amazingly against the incredible, unique Python yellow paint, making sure you definitely stand out on the roads in this car. It comes with the sport suspension, including damping control, just to completely add to the driver's sports experience. And moving to the back of the car, we have privacy glass in the rear and rear side windows, as well as LED rear lights with, again, rear dynamic indicators. Opening up the boot space here, you can see we have an absolutely huge, spacious boot in this saloon, so it is really good if you do plan on going on a lot of shopping trips. As this car is brand new, it also comes with 3 years warranty from the manufacturer. That includes things like roadside assistance, key cover and MOT cover. And moving on to the incredible interior. Super sport front seats with the S embossed logo, fully leather with contrast white stitching. You can't get more luxury than that. It also comes with the really nice inlays, which include the carbon package. Here we have the Quattro detailing as it is a 4-wheel drive, so it's amazing for all roads and all weathers. Moving on to the MMI with high resolution touchscreen and colour display. We have some amazing features including the satellite navigation system, really good if you do travel a lot, as well as telephone Bluetooth Connect, amazing for hand-free calls on the go, and DAB digital radio just for your entertainment. We also can't forget Audi Drive Select, which allows the driver to be able to put the car into any mode they would like. For example, dynamic for a sportier drive, or efficiency if you're going on a longer drive and want to save some fuel. We also can't get the extended LED interior lighting package in this car. You can choose from 30 different colours and contours, and the driver can change the intensity, completely setting the mood of the car. It's another complete added luxury to this saloon. Also, just below here, you can see this car comes with both front and rear parking sensors, so you can easily park this car as easy as possible in any space. And it also does come with park assist, so it does actually park itself. Just below, we have the dual zone electronic climate control with heated seats as well, just making this car as comfortable for both the driver and passenger on every journey. We have the keyless go as well as the S-tronic gearbox and electromechanical parking brake. And just in this compartment here, you can see we have Audi's wireless phone charging box, so you can charge the phone on the go without any distractions. Moving on to the driver's side with this really modern, stunning virtual cockpit with the sat-nav, telephone and radio display. This is all controlled by the incredible fully leather multifunctional steering wheel with the S badge in there on the bottom. It also comes with cruise control with speed limiter, as well as the adaptive cruise control, just making this car an absolute dream for long motorway journeys. Here we have the gear shift paddles if you do want to be more in control of your automatic, as well as the automatic lights and the electric door mirror controls. Here we have the electric seat memory function, so the car will remember up to 2 ways you would like your seat set, as well as the Bang & Olufsen sound system completely transforming your in-car entertainment. SOS button for roadside assistance and the stunning panoramic glass sunroof, giving it a really airy feel. Here we have the electrically adjustable front seats just demonstrated, as well as the electric 4-way lumbar. So if you are interested, we have some amazing offers on, so please call 012 54 868 216.